Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETH on Robinhood. First, you'll need to open a Robinhood account and complete the identity verification process. This usually involves providing some personal information and a photo ID. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to easily deposit funds. Make sure you have enough money available to cover your desired Ethereum purchase. After linking your bank, deposit the desired amount of money into your Robinhood account. Once your funds are available, use the search bar at the top of the app to find Ethereum, often listed as ETH. Take a moment to review the current market price and any recent trends to help inform your buying decision. You can see charts and relevant news directly on the asset page. Now tap the Buy button on the Ethereum page. You can enter the amount of ETH you want to purchase, either in dollars or in units of Ethereum. Decide if you want a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which executes at a specific price you set. Always confirm your order details before submitting. Once your order is complete, your ETH will appear in your Robinhood portfolio. You can monitor its performance, track gains or losses, and decide when to sell. Consider setting up price alerts to stay informed about significant market movements without constantly checking the app. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.